For this biodiversity project video, our group has chosen an Ex-Situ conservation center, which is Putrajaya Botanical Garden.
Putrajaya Botanical Garden is located at Lubuk Perdana Barat, Precinct 1, Putrajaya. It is also known as the mother of all gardens in this federal territory.
So here in this Taman Botanical Garden, stores over 7,500 species of flowers and plants. There are over 230 types of plants from all over the continents, all over the world that is stored here in our very own Putrajaya. A lot of people came here to relax their view, as said by Han just now. So where they can unwind from their busy day or have a stress-free environment. And besides its main attraction, besides its main purpose, this Taman Botanical Garden targets a lot of foreigners, attracts tourists to come here and increases our country's economical value. And finally, the main purpose of this conservation is to conserve these beautiful flowers and trees so it doesn't go to extinction.
There are many conserved plants here in Putrajaya Botanical Garden. From the previous footage shown, we can see the trees called Shorea maxima that stand proudly at the Putrajaya Botanical Garden, showcasing its impressive tallness. Shorea maxima thrive in the garden by maintaining its natural habitat. It is also known for its very tall structure reaching up to 80 meters in height. Its reddish-brown timber is highly prized and used for various purposes, from furniture to wood building. For your information, this Shorea maxima, also called as the yellow morangi, is already categorized as the near-threatened species by the International Union for Nature Conservation. So, the efforts of Putrajaya Botanical Garden in preserving the beauty and diversity of this Shorea maxima should be highly appreciated, as they are ensuring the survival of this near-threatened species for the future generations.
As you can see in the footage, there are many types of plants here that are rare to see or hard to find outside this botanical garden. So, the existence of this botanical garden allows people to see or learn about many types of those rare plants here. Since botanical garden conserve endangered plant species through living collections, they also benefit other animal and insects such as butterflies, honeybees, bats, and birds, which play an important role in the production of our crops and maintaining the health of other plants.
So there are myriad importance of the botanical garden which play the role as the Ex-Situ conservation. So the prior importance of the botanical garden is to actually allow more research to be conducted by the scientists for them to understand more about the plant species. So, Ex-Situ conservation systems are very helpful in providing the researchers the ability to closely study more about the plant species. These may be relatively difficult in the other environments where the plants grow freely, and it will eventually disturb or interrupt the process of the researches to be conducted or done well. Apart from that, botanical gardens also functions as an inspiration. Botanical gardens inspire people to appreciate and care for the plants and the environment. These botanical gardens often showcase unique and beautiful plants from around the world, sparking interest in gardening and horticulture.
Moving on to the next point, the importance of Ex-Situ conservation in Botanical Garden Putrajaya is aesthetic and recreational value. So you can see that this botanical garden provides us with peaceful atmosphere and also combined with calming influence of nature. It is also good for meditation, picnicking, and also simply unwinding after a busy day.
There is no good reason to let any of the plant species to become extinct. So, botanical gardens fulfill an important role in preserving the world's plant diversity by growing large collections of endangered species and holding them safely in the cultivation or seed banks in case if their wild species are being destroyed. Beyond their beauty, these botanical gardens underscore the need for plant conservation. By witnessing the vast array of plants, visitors understand the importance of preserving such diversity, especially in the face of habitat destruction and climate change. Thus, they will be participating in the action of conserving plants by planting trees at their homes.
This botanical garden also is family friendly, so children can play with safe in the natural environment. So they can do a lot of physical activities such as walking, hiking exercise, and also can jump in the trampoline. So you can see here. Besides recreational value, this botanical garden also are well landscaped and designed. For example, Burns Garden that highlight the beauty of the plants, which is ferns, and also it has the overall aesthetic appeal of the plants. The last point is the air quality will be improved since this botanical garden has a lot of trees, so it can absorb a lot of carbon dioxide and produce a lot of oxygen by photosynthesis process that will affect the climate change. Smell that fresh air.
Other than that, botanical garden also helps in climate change study.
These gardens become the sites for studying the effects of climate change on plants and the ecosystem. As an example, botanical gardens serve as living laboratories. Scientists can observe growth, health, and reproduction of different plant species. Gardens can offer data on how climate change is affecting plant life.
My last point is the environmental benefit.
Federal territory.
Besides recreational benefits, this botanical garden also
There are myriad of importances.
One of the most visited places in here in Putrajaya